So this is the second part. The soft unsalted butter, 250 grams, has been in the mixer for about 30 seconds and it's really soft. It will go very white whilst it's in there, but don't worry about that. Next, if you remember from the first video, I said it was half butter to icing sugar. So if that is 250 grams of butter, we need 500 grams of icing sugar. So here goes. I love these. I love my new jugs. The set of 3 jugs, you can be so accurate with them, and because it's a set of 3, I can use, woo, it's ever so difficult trying to do this and video at the same time. So right now, it doesn't matter that this icing sugar looks a little bit lumpy. All icing sugars have got like an anti-caking agent in them, so they will make a really nice buttercream that isn't lumpy. So it's 492, that's fine. Now I'm just going to take that off there, give it a shake. Now if there are any big lumps, they will be on the top, and what I tend to do is I just get my fingers in as if it's flour and give it a sip. Now I don't sieve it, have never ever sieved icing sugar like I don't sieve flour. There's enough anti-caking agents in it, it will sort itself out. Honestly, there is no need in the 21st century to sieve icing sugar. That's it, there's no lumps in there. Now I'm going to put a bit of this icing sugar into the bowl. Because I'm holding the phone, most of the icing sugar has gone into. So once again, I'm going to shut the lid down, and I'm going to put the mixer on a very slow speed so that it starts combining together. Now, if you've got a mixer and the lid doesn't shut, oh look at that, doesn't shut properly, what you might want to do, which I might do now, is grab the bowl and then hand fold some of the butter into the icing sugar. You can do this quite effectively, but I can't do it with one hand. Where is my tripod? You get the idea. It will stop the clouds of icing sugar. Also, another trick is, if you haven't got a lid to your stand mixer or using a hand one, a tea towel tent just over the top. But this is going to go on slow for about 30 seconds. There shouldn't be clouds of icing sugar, but 30 seconds and let's see how it goes. See you in the next part.